Morning guys and girl, how are we all today? Hope you've had a splendid week so far. Today is the day that a lot of people have been waiting for. We're going to stick this whole shed on the dyno. We'll see what she makes. I want to make sure, you know, that I'm not kind of pushing stupid power. Goals, aspirations, 400. That's all I really want. I might do more than that, but I'm not really interested in that just now, as I want some longevity. So, but we'll see, because I normally get carried away and up the boost to, you know, the moon. But yeah, here's the car sort of all oiled up and ready to go. See the back end of it's a lot higher now. I've jacked the back end up for when I go to Crail on Sunday, just to see if it gives more clearance for sort of launching. And I might be borrowing a guy's drag slicks, Dean Cambridge. So stick them in the car, which should give us a grip. But like I say, this turbo is so laggy that I've got zero mid-range really. So it'll be interesting to make some changes and see how it feels. Sorted. I always switch my AFR on just a couple of seconds after I've initially started it. And also you'll see here, we've got speed. Oh yes. I managed to sort the speed input. I used a little chip from Zirco Labs, I think it was, and converted the standard speed signal. We're in daytime now, you see, so I still need to play with my gauges and Gareth, so she's looking ace. Here we have it, BEYTEK racing. Oh yes guys, that's her on the dyno now. So I've had to play with this. I'm still having issues with boost control where it's just really sensitive. I've taken the wee filter out of there, and I even tried teeing the top hose just to try and bleed off some of the pressure holding the gate down, but it's yeah, it's still making too much boost. So yeah, just have to knock down the duty big time to try and control it. And, yeah, I'm looking over some logs just now, and we'll fire it up, and we'll do some probably initial pulls on 7 psi boost, just to see how things are looking. Right guys, we're in the car just now, and we're about to set off. Got my wee controller there for the dyno. We're running off the wee laptop today, so we'll do some pulls, we'll have boost off, and we'll see if we get on at wastegate pressure. Woo, she's reeky. So 5 psi boost, and she made 262 wheel horsepower. So that's absolutely nuts. Right, so we'll take some more fuel in and we'll go for another pull. chasing some boost control issues again. Just seems to be a wee bit temperamental. So we've got it up, we've taken it to about 16 psi boost up there at red line. You can see all these ones cutting, and we've got across here. Look at power. So in here I did end it slightly earlier in this one, but you can see it made 387 wheel, which is like 440 brake horsepower. Aye, that's a heap, like, that is a heap. So what I've done, I've added some more time in, a couple of degrees. I've leaned out because we're really rich here, we're like 10.9 AFR, and we're gonna go again at that. Car's doing alright, it's just taking the beating, and yeah, let's see where we end up with this.
His car. He knows what he's doing, but I'm just giving him another opinion. So here we are, we're at BEYTEK Racing. Looks like we've kind of optimised it for the boost we're running. A little bit of ignition on the top end, didn't yield anything, so take that degree back out, says Gavin. Would agree with that. So yeah, looking good.
Hey.
That's me, the amount of reek I've still got.
Aye.
Yes. I'd still pulling out fuel.
It's still rich, isn't it?
My map, I'd go another 5% global.
I was dropping out 4% fuel there, and it was still the same AFR, so that just shows you it's too rich and it's going a false condition, eh? So exactly.
Do you 500? You can't fucking stop there. You've got to go pretty far. For me, it's fine. So we're at 425 plus 10 becomes 435 divided by
425 wheel horse.
483.
483 brake horsepower.
Flywheel estimate.
Yeah, that's mad.
Right, so here we are. I think we're about finished mapping now. We've just done our final little run, last little check, make sure that she's going to do what we're looking to do. just a shade over 500 estimated flywheel horsepower. Yeah, it'll take that.
Yes! Holy shit! We didn't really want to go there, but we thought, why no? 500 brake horsepower. It's 442.
And you're still 11.5 AFR.
Yeah, she's still rich, so I'm buzzing about that. So let's get the phone out and let's work out what we made there. So we made, what was it again, sorry? 442 plus 10
divided by 0.9 equals
502 brake horsepower. Oh yes. I'm shaking, man.
I'm pleased, Gav. This stock engine's holding together. It's safe, it's still safe.
I know. And she made it out the dyno. Can't say much the same for many rotaries, but you know how it goes. Anyway guys, right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jack up the back end, jack up the front end, we're going to put it on scales and see if it's lighter than it was before. I think it was 1,380 last time, so be interesting to see what happens after the conversion. Yeah, so take the laptop and that out and we'll see where we're at now. 1,098 kilograms. This is light.
Almost a light car. About the same weight as a Fiesta, by the way.
Yeah? So a Fiesta with 500 horse? Jeez, oh.
Which we've never built.
Yet.
Never built one yet.
Oh, and guys, look at this. A bit of BEYTEK merch. You've probably seen this skull in some of my posts. Oh yeah. So yeah, gonna jack up, take off the scales and give the missus a shout and
leave Simon alone.
Leave Simon alone. He's been tortured today, like. Awesome. So guys, I'm absolutely sweating. It's so nerve-wracking going on the dyno and mapping your own car and stuff. There's a lot to take in and a lot to, you know, there's a lot of experience missing from myself as well, but having somebody like Si kind of around you can give you some pointers. And anyway guys, much appreciated for watching and hope you're as buzzing as I am, and we'll catch you in the next vid. Cheers.